in one store and all at prices up to 70% off mall prices. And you can park real close, so you don't even have to get cold on the way in. If you're short on shopping cash, bring your gently used clothing and accessories, and Toledo's will pay you cash on the spot. So Toledo's pays you cash for your gently used items, provides the perfect shopping environment of huge selection, and has great prices? No one but Toledo's Closet. Selections can change every day, so get to Toledo's and head back often. You will always get a warm, cozy feeling at Toledo's. So whether you're bringing in your gently used clothes for cash, or you're looking to freshen up your wardrobe for the winter, it's time to bundle up at Toledo's Closet. Toledo's Closet, State Road 38 East in Kmart Plaza, Lafayette.
Save on this, buy one, get that, free financing, low payments. It's enough to make your head spin, and there is always a catch. What if you could get low payments, no interest?